Hi guys, welcome to Belle, brand new 3-bedroom property with a pool in Jolly Harbour. Let me show you around. So as you enter the property, you've got this really nice spacious hallway, and you've got 2 bedrooms off here, and then we come through out into the open plan living room kitchen area with a stunning view and a lovely pool. So I love a good kitchen, and this is huge. It's got a great big central island and the seats so people can chat to you while you're cooking. Lots of counter space for a big family, dishwasher, stove, big fridge, and all of this while you're looking at this incredible view of the harbour and people in the swimming pool. Let's go show you. So you've got dining table out here, you've got your barbecue, and you've got some really nice comfortable seating over there, and then you've got your swimming pool. It's a nice infinity edge. There's 2 layers, so if you've got small children, this is perfect for them. And then you have your dock. If you wanted to do any kayaking or paddleboarding in this area, this is a perfect space to leave from the dock just there. So that's the outside taken care of. Let's go and show you the bedrooms. As you come to the bedrooms, we have the living area here. So if you follow me to the living area here, you've got some nice seating and you've got in flat screen TV. And this is where the master bedroom comes off. So this is the master bedroom here. It has a large king bed. You've got a computer system here and an ensuite bathroom. Great shower and a vanity unit with lots of space. So all the bedrooms have AC and they have a standing fan, but also all the windows are louvered. So if you don't want the air conditioning, you can have the lovely breezes, or you can close them up and have the air conditioning. They also, each of the bedrooms has a private patio as well. Let's go and have a look at the others. So we're going back down the hallway, which we came in, and we've got a guest bathroom here for everyone using the living room area. And then you've got 2 bedrooms here with ensuite bathrooms. So this one has a lovely queen bed, your little balcony here, which is lovely, letting in lots of light, and your ensuite bathroom. So bathroom has a shower, toilet, and a lovely vanity. Let's go and take a look at the 3rd bedroom. This bedroom also has a queen bed, a little balcony, a little patio area here, and an ensuite bathroom. All the bedrooms in this house, apart from the master bedroom, are the same size, and they have the same size bathroom, so there'll be no arguing. Let's have a look. So again, the same shower, lovely tiling, toilet and vanity unit. This property has 3 bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms, and there's a guest bathroom. It has a huge kitchen, open plan living room, and outside there's lots of undercover area with lounge chairs, sofas, dining table and a barbecue. It also has a fantastic pool with a shallower area for small children. It's on the waterfront on the North Finger Harbour Island in Jolly Harbour, and it is a great space for a family holiday. So if it's 6 of you looking to come to Antigua and have a fabulous time, this is a really great property to choose. Hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more properties available for tailormadeantigua.com, please click the link below. Thanks.